Hey guys, I'm vlogging today and I want to show you, can you not? I wanted to show you guys the things that I'm doing to get organized in 2021. I definitely let myself go in 2020. I think we all did. We kind of just let the year kind of F us in the butt. It's fine. I did a lot better this year with organizing my Christmas decor. So I'm going to show you guys that and just like all the other things that I'm doing right now to get organized, whether that's cleaning out my closet, showing you guys the little things I bought, all that fun stuff. So this video is just going to be all over the place, but welcome to 2021 Sarabelle Elizabeth. I almost said Sarabelle 93X. She died. I love me some organizational stuff. One of the things that I bought from Target was this 24 pocket expanding organizer. It was like $12. It's just, you know, like a typical filing thing. I have one from whenever I lived in LA that I used to sort my receipts and stuff for tax write-offs for my job. And I kind of got lazy in the last year with that, and this is my current situation. I know I can just like take a picture of the receipt and, you know, send it to the accounting that way, but I just like having them physically. I don't know, you guys, I'm weird. So I bought this from Target, like I said, and I can organize each receipt by the category that it falls under, whether that be travel, hotel, all that stuff. It can all be in here, which I really, really, really like. And it's kind of hard to misplace because she's thick. It's gonna be a lot better than this. Doing my taxes this year is gonna be really fun. Then as far as notebooks and everything go, I have like this new thing. It's called Make Today Beautiful. Can you even see that? Okay, well you can't. So it's got Monday through Saturday with the weekend. It's got personal goals, act of kindness, I'm thankful for, and positive affirmations. It's nice if you aren't doing like the whole scheduling thing. I personally sometimes just like to write it out twice just because it like really gets in my memory that way. But the agenda that I bought, I still have to take off this little thing. It's from Russell and Hazel. It's the 2021 weekly planner and I love it so much. So here is the way I'm organizing everything. I have everything written down in black ink. I personally am a black ink fan. I used to like to color coordinate in the sense that I use different color pens. Nowadays, I use these highlighters, which are pastel lighters from Walmart that I think are so cute. I'm obsessed with them. They're really cute. Each category has a different color. So like for the podcast, I have it in pink. So I need to get ready for the podcast tomorrow. And then I have like it written out like the podcast goes live. I have my social events in purple highlighter. There's not a lot of purple, but there is lunch. So yeah, just a lot of fun ways to kind of get organized. And the reason I love it is because this is white paper. You guys know I don't like writing on off-white paper, which is kind of hypocritical because this is off-white, but anyway. This has a goal for the week section, a to-do list, next week priorities, and a notes section. So there's a lot of room to jot things down, which I love in my agendas. That is how I'm kind of organizing my life. As always, I'm making my list like crazy in my little journal from Katie. So you can buy this. I'll link it somewhere. I would assume it's on her website. It just is her font. It's okay. Katie Bellotti, which is really, really cool. The stuff I'm using right now to get a little bit more organized, I wanted to kind of preface this video with that, kind of start out that way because it's way more exciting. But yeah, I need to get my shit together and let's just continue to get my shit together. You know? For starters, I got these 4 storage containers. I got 3 smaller ones and then this large one, which I'm going to use for the Christmas tree downstairs, and now I'm going to take these smaller ones and take them upstairs and start trying to figure out my life, because I truly have no idea. Actually, I'm gonna leave one down here because that will be for the ornaments for my bedroom. Okay, this one has so many of these trees. I think I'm going to combine the ones from downstairs with these ones, just so I can have all of the little bristle brush trees in the same thing. Now it's time to start. The dreaded. It's freaking time to take this down. I just don't even like this tree anymore. I like the structure of this tree, but I'm over looking at this tree, if that makes sense. The bin for this Christmas. Okay, all of my Christmas decor for my office fits in one little bin. These are the ones that I got from Home Depot. Now I just got to take down the Christmas tree and package away the vintage tree. God, honestly, better luck next year. So what I ended up doing was I took an envelope and I taped it on here and I wrote what was in here. So I have my lights, my multicolored and my gold, my ornaments, and then the filler things that you put in the tree. So now I know what is in there when we're looking, because typically I misplace everything. That's one thing I learned from moving and just kind of putting stuff away randomly last year, was that it was a disaster this year when I was trying to rally up everything. So that's what I did here. Here is the haul from Walmart. So I got this little container because I really want to organize my makeup a little bit better, because it's a little bit cluttered in there, so I'll show you that later. And I'm just gonna put the excess ones, if I ever need an additional foundation or something, it'll be right in this, right next to my vanity, on the floors. Then I don't have to worry about the clutter, because you only really need one foundation. I have 5,000 up there. This is old, but I'm just about to dust this and clean it. I got these microfiber cleaning cloths for $4. There's 18, which is plenty. I got these. I didn't know if these were smaller than the ones I already have in my little vanity, but I figured I would just buy them just in case. And worst case scenario, I'll just use them in the little organizational system that I got from IKEA, but this was $6. Yeah, I don't really have an exact reason I bought this, but I liked the idea of a pastel highlighter. I don't know, it's probably a scam, but who cares? And finally, I needed a little cup like this to replace the Season's Greeting one that holds my brushes, because that one's not exactly matching. This one was $4. So that is the little haul.
Love using the new year as an excuse to make goals and resolutions, as cliche as it sounds.
Okay, now I need to figure this out. As you can see, there's just too much makeup in here and it's too hard to handle, plus it's all really dirty, so I'm going to clean it out, make this all clean, and it's just going to be so satisfying when it's done. In the meantime, I will be watching Real Housewives of Potomac. This is the 4th season. I already watched the 5th. Apparently I'm going backwards, whatever. And we're just I'll update you when this is over with, because, yeah. Okay, that looks so much better. I switched over to this and it looks so much better. I feel like the clear looks a little bit cleaner. Great. Hello. It's a little bit later now. And I have decided to take on the project of the IKEA unit. This thing that I can't pronounce. John Axel, that's how we're gonna pronounce it. So this is for the little brackets that you put the shelves in, and then this is the actual shelves. So that's what I guess I gotta make first. It says this is easily done with one person, so wish me luck. Okie dokie. This is what it looks like. It's kind of weird. Like, I don't love how this whole thing is. Like, that's weird that they have it like that. And that's how it's supposed to be sold. You know what I mean? Like, that's just a weird gap. You would think it'd be the other way around. But look at how close Cody, when we first put it together, he was like, it's not going to fit. And it barely fit by like 6 inches. Whew, thank God. Time to hang some hats. Okay, I'm actually thrilled with my decision to get these drawer organizers because I have so much additional makeup that I just don't want around in my vanity, and this worked out perfectly. So I'm just gonna put it in here, my traveling case, everything like that. If I ever need the palettes that I use, I'll put more up here. I have some downstairs. I needed this because, like, look at, I still have stuff that I haven't unboxed, which maybe should be what I put on this, but we shall see. Over here, we're definitely going to clean this off at some point, and then we're going to figure out what to do with this. Here's a little update. Somebody suggested that I put swimsuits in here, which is a brilliant idea because obviously I only need swimsuits when I travel because I don't have a pool here. So I'm going to do that. I think it's going to be perfect for that, and then I'm going to figure out the rest of them. Amazing. Ugh. Brilliant idea. Brilliant. We've got the swimsuits section and it like literally fits perfectly, and I have room for more swimsuits. So now I need to figure out, I think I might do like t-shirts and stuff in one from like college maybe. Oh, what day is today? It's New Year's Eve and I am still taking stuff down. So let's go take down some more Christmas decor. And I'll show you how I'm organizing everything. So here we have a thrifted bin, which has a bunch of stuff from my previous decor. And I'm actually going to put all of the stuff that's in my bedroom that's Christmas related in here because I don't have too much. It should all fit in here. All we have is this Christmas tree to take down, so I feel like it will fit all in this thing, but like I said, we'll see. Okay, one Christmas tree down. Just gotta like actually take it down. But so here is the main Christmas tree. And I feel like I just decorated it and it's already time to take it down again, which is so sad, but alas, she has to go, so.
OCD asshole, no reason at all.
Hey, did I rewrite the part where you abandoned me when you were 18? You left, I had nobody.
I have been putting off, I look so bad. Oh my god, who cares? Anyway, I've been putting off cleaning my closet out all winter long. I did it in October and that was really good, but I really need to clean because like last time I cleaned, I put together this huge pile of donations and things I want to list on Poshmark, and I just never did it. So today I'm gonna do it. I also have a ton of home decor stuff that I've thrifted throughout the past few years that I just didn't end up using that I'm probably gonna list on Poshmark, but wish me luck. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna walk you guys through. I need to clean out the shirt section desperately, so we're gonna go through all. I'm keeping this. I don't know, I feel like that could be good. I think it might be time to let go of one of these LPA shirts. Okay, I have like 3 LPA shirts that are essentially all the same, and I just don't know what to do. I feel like I'm gonna probably get rid of this one. I don't really want to get rid of any of them, honestly. Okay, so far we're failing. I have this Camilla collection top that I like never wear, so I guess I'll list that. This Zara top I never wore. Fail. You get swept up in the sale. That's a thrifted top. Oh, this girlfriend shirt I've never worn. Time to get rid of that with the shoulder pads. And then I'm going to keep this Ami Song of Style top. I listed this last time I cleaned out my closet and no one bought it, but I need to take it out of my closet because I don't know, that was like an impulse sale purchase. I should not have bought this. I need to be better about that. Sale purchases just get the best of me. This Lovers and Friends top I never wore because it was black. This is too small. I think it's time to get rid of this top. I've never worn it. It's from Lovers and Friends. I think that's pretty much all of the shirts that I'm going to be getting rid of. I really need to clean out my jeans too, but I just don't think I'm going to do that right away. Something I do is I cling on to dresses for sentimental value purposes, and that's just not good. So I haven't worn this dress in probably 3-4 years. It's so beautiful, but it's just like I just never wear it. Yeah, so I finally think it's time. It's sad, but I mean, it's just taking up space. I might get rid of my Gani dress. I love this dress, but once again, I just never wear it. I don't know. Should I get rid of it? I think I'm going to get rid of this Spell dress just because, once again, I never wear it. And I'm just holding on to it. Okay, I need to start listing this big pile of clothes. Okay, so here is the pile of clothes that I need to start listing. I mean, it's just a big pile. I didn't wear any of this during the pandemic, so I mean, not saying that you should judge like what you buy and wore during the pandemic to clean out your closet, but I don't know, I just don't, like, I don't see me reaching for this clothes when the pandemic is over, so it's time to say our goodbye. Hello guys, so a few days later, and I completely forgot to end this vlog, but I basically listed all of the Poshmark orders after washing them, and I've shipped them out, and a lot of you guys have received them. I still have a humongous pile that I need to donate, so if anyone in the Nashville area has like a good idea of where I should donate, let me know in the comments below. I like to switch it up. Also, I have been basically getting everything organized. Duh, Sarah. I've spent a lot of time kind of planning out my weeks and stuff, and it's so far so good. I'm still trying to get organized, to be completely fair, like physically organized, as in like my house, but it's clean right now, and it's so nice to be able to like sit in a living room and not be stressed out by all the crap around you. So I highly, highly, highly recommend it. I honestly, when we bought this house, one of the things that I really wanted to do was to be better at cleaning and keeping it clean, and I feel like for me, I've done a good job. Like, yes, it obviously gets really messy sometimes, but I think overall things are like pretty okay. I haven't filled out the rest of the IKEA storage because I kind of want to hear like when this video goes up what you guys suggest, because I don't want to like put stuff in there and then have to take it out once I hear like a really good suggestion from you guys, because like the bathing suit suggestion was chef's kiss, so I still have to do that and continue to organize my closet. But if you want me to do that in a video, let me know in the comments below. I think that's pretty much it. Thank you for joining me on this week-long journey of me getting my shit together. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later.